This is BB&T. Hi. Hello, my love. Where are you going way up there? They've been here before, and they do very well when they come in. It takes them about an hour to get settled in, and then they're eating normally, voiding normally, and they're sweet little kitties. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Look at you. You gonna come down here? Come on. Hey. I'm gonna get you. Whoa. There we go. Hello, my love. So as you can see, they're doing just fine. No problems to report here. And these two are housemates. They've been here a few times in the past. And they're happy kitties. Look at you. You look just like a Halloween kitty. You're scary. Look at you with those big yellow eyes.